Lesson with interrogative markers. Namaskaram to all of you and a warm welcome to the Swayam Mook Telugu learning program. My name is Battula Venkateshwarlu and I will be your instructor for this Telugu language course. Are you ready to learn about interrogative markers today? We will see the related vocabulary. Evadu means who. Evaru means who. Emiti means what. Eppudu when. Edi means which one. Evi means which ones. Ela how. Ekkada where. Enduku why. Edi means where. Eri means where. Enni how many. Now let us see the conversation. It is between two friends. This kind of conversation very common when friends talk to each other. Hari asking to Giri here, Giri, ayana evaru, vaadevadu. Who is he and who is he? Ayana ma annagaru, vaadu ma tammudu. He is my brother and he is my younger brother. See the explanation note here. Hari and Giri are human common nouns, means names of the persons. Ayana, a human honorific pronoun, used to show respect. It means he. Its respectable form, evaru, means who. An interrogative word used only for humans. It can refer to singular or plural depending on the situation. Vaadevadu formed has vaadu plus evadu, which stand for who is he. It's an informal way used when the speaker is casual or familiar. See the answer explained here. Ayana ma annagaru, which means he is my brother. Ma is a collective or possessive form, which means ours. Here Anna means elder brother. Garu, human honorific suffix. It is neuter gender, which means epicene form. The full meaning is that he is my elder brother. And vaadu ma tammudu. Vaadu, informal pronoun, means he. Tammudu means younger brother. See the full meaning here. He is my younger brother. You know the important point here. Ayana is used for elders to show respect. Vaadu is used when there is a intimacy or closeness for someone younger than the speaker. We will use this an informal conversation. Now we will look at the next dialogue. Hari asking to Giri, Adi emiti? What is that? Adi na pustakam. That's my book. Here, Adi, it is a demonstrative pronoun used for a non-human objects. It refers to something away from the speaker, which means that. Emiti means what? Interrogative word. Apply for non-human things. Finally, Adi emiti, a common question pattern in spoken Telugu, which means what is that? Na possessive form is my and pustakam, a book, a non-human common noun, adi na pustakam. It's a simple identification sentence which explores, that is my book. The key points are here. Use evaru for human and emiti for non-human or things. Below is another sample conversation is, Bassu eppudu vastundi? When does the bus arrive? Chudu, adigo vastundi. Look, here it comes. Dialogue explanation is, these Telugu exchange introduce future tense verbs and contextual for time. Building on prior pronouns lessons, it shows practical use in travel context with imperative plus demonstrative for immediacy. Hari's question, Bassu eppudu vastundi? When does the bus arrive? Bassu means bus. It's a neuter noun. Eppudu, when. This is a time interrogative adverb. వస్తుంది future come or arrive at as a neuter present tense. Giri's response here, చూడు అదిగో వస్తుంది. Look, here it comes. చూడు imperative, look or see, it is an informal command. అదిగో, here it is. వస్తుంది, now immediate action. The more consistency you study and stay engaged, the better you will learn Telugu. ఏవి నీ కళాలు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి? వాట్ ఆర్ దే? వేర్ ఆర్ యువర్ పెన్స్? అక్కడ ఉన్నాయిగా. దే ఆర్ దేర్. See the explanation note here. ఏవి, this is a plural neuter interrogative pronoun, means which one or what are they. It is used when referring to things, not people. నీ కళాలు, your pens. ఎక్కడ means where. An interrogative adverb of place, meaning where. It is commonly used with nouns in everyday conversation. ఉన్నాయి, this is the existential verb in plural neuter form, meaning are there. When the subject is plural like kalalu, ఉన్నాయి is used. So the full meaning of Ari's question is, what are they? Where are your pens? Giri's reply, అక్కడ ఉన్నాయిగా, means they are there. Ga, this particle is added when both the speaker and the listener already know the subject, but one of them momentarily forgets or asks casually. It adds a sense of you know or as you know. The reply sounds natural and conversational, implying shared knowledge between Hari and Giri. So, shall we continue with the next one? మీ అబ్బాయి ఏడి? మీ నాన్నగారు ఏరి? Where is your son? Where is your father? వాడు ఇక్కడే ఆడుతూ ఉంటాడు. నాన్నగారు ఆఫీస్లో ఉన్నారు. He keeps playing here. Father is in the office. See here, grammatical breakdown is, మీ అబ్బాయి, your son. Me is the respectable plural, means your. ఏడి, this is a colloquial contraction of ఎలా ఉన్నాడు, which means how is he. It's used specifically for masculine singular subjects. The full verb ఉన్నాడు implies state. నాన్నగారు, father, plus the respectable honorific garu. This shows respect for Giri's father. ఏరి, a colloquial contraction of ఎలా ఉన్నారు. The unnaru is the plural or respectable form of the verb to be, agreeing with the respected subject. Refined Hari's line here, where is your son? Where is your father? Detailed breakdown of Giri's reply. This line packs Telugu conversational flair, deflection, via humor, habitual action and respectable location. Giri turns Hari's family question into a witty mirror, your son. Hari's himself, he keeps playing here. Let's dissect sentence by sentence for teaching precision. See the first class. వాడు ఇక్కడే ఆడుతూ ఉంటాడు. వాడు is the third person masculine singular pronoun, means he or that guy. ఇక్కడే right here or need here. ikkada means here. Plus a empathetic particle. ఆడుతూ ఉంటాడు. Habitual present continuous means keep playing. ఆడుతూ, the verb ఆడు plus తూ continuous while playing. ఉంటాడు auxiliary habitual exist third person masculine singular present habitual. See the full sentence meaning here. He keeps playing right here. See the second clause. నాన్నగారు ఆఫీస్లో ఉన్నారు. నాన్నగారు, father, నాన్న, it tells us dad, plus గారు respectable suffix like sir. ఆఫీస్లో, in the office. Office means office plus లో locative case. ఉన్నారు existential is or are. For elders, even singular uses a plural verb. This sentence conveys the meaning, father is in the office. The continue conversation here, మీ ఇంట్లో ఎన్ని గదులు ఉన్నాయి, ఆరోగ్యం ఎలా ఉంది? How many rooms are there in your house and how is your health? ఇంట్లో 4 గదులు ఉన్నాయి, ఆరోగ్యం బాగుంది. There are 4 rooms in the house and I am in good health. Thank you. Look at the detailed explanation here. మీ ఇంట్లో, in your house. ఇంట్లో is the locative case of illu, meaning in the house. ఎన్ని గదులు? How many rooms? ఎన్ని is the plural interrogative adjective for countable. ఉన్నాయి. Correct the plural neuter existential verb or there. ఆరోగ్యం means health. ఎలా ఉంది? How is it? The subject ఆరోగ్యం is grammatically neuter singular. Refined Hari's line here. How many rooms are there in your house and how is your health? Here the and helps link the 2 common polite questions. ఇంట్లో 4 గదులు ఉన్నాయి, ఆరోగ్యం బాగుంది. 4 గదులు 4 rooms ఉన్నాయి. అగైన్ ఫ్లూరల్ న్యూటర్ వర్బ్ అగ్రీస్ విత్ రూమ్స్. బాగుంది, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ కాంట్రాక్టెడ్ వెరీ కామన్ అండ్ న్యూట్రల్ ఫార్మ్. ఇట్ కమ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బాగా మీన్స్ వెల్ ప్లస్ ఉంది విచ్ మీన్స్ ఈజ్, లిటరల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెల్. రిఫైన్డ్ గిరీస్ లైన్ హియర్. There are 4 rooms in the house and my health is fine. Thank you. Here adding thank you or I am well is implied in such polite exchanges in spite of that not being directly in the text. Here the key learning is any plural noun plus unnayi asking about quantity. Undi or unnayi change according to number. 2 unrelated questions can be asked together naturally in a Telugu conversation. See here next one. మీరు ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు? Why are you here? బస్సు కోసం చూస్తున్నాను. I am looking for a bus. Grammatical breakdown is మీరు, the respectable means you. ఎందుకు, why is an interrogative adverb of reason. ఇక్కడ here, this is an adverb of place. ఉన్నారు, the plural or respectable form of the verb undu means to be. It agrees with the respectable pronoun meeru. Refined Hari's line here. Why are you are here? Or more politely, what brings you here? బస్సు కోసం చూస్తున్నాను. బస్సు means bus is a loan word from English. Kosam, a postposition, means for. It indicates purpose. Chustunnanu, this is the present continuous tense. The verb chudu means to see or to look. Chustu, present participle stem. Unnanu, first person singular auxiliary verb am. Combined, chustu plus unnanu. The resultant form is చూస్తున్నాను, which means I am looking. The final meaning is that I am waiting for or looking for a bus. Observe one thing here. In this context, చూస్తున్నాను implies both looking out for and waiting for. Linguistics points postposition కోసం, unlike English which uses preposition for a bus. Telugu uses postpositions that comes after the noun. The structure is noun plus kosam plus verb. Continue tense form the tunnanu. Ending is the hallmark of the present continuous tense for the first person singular verbs. It's formed by combining the verb stem tu plus the auxiliary undu in this appropriate form. Semantic difference is here. Giri's response is direct and complete. He could have simply said bassu kosam and the verb చూస్తున్నాను would be understood from context but he provides the full sentence for clarity. What we reach today, mastering the why in Telugu. Today we explore the essential framework for asking questions in Telugu by focusing on interrogative markers, the question words that form the backbone of daily communication. We moved beyond simple yes or no questions to learn how to inquire about specific information, which is crucial for meaningful conversation. Essential question words in Telugu: Emi or Avi means what? Emi singular or general means what is this? Avi plural neuter means what are those? We saw its use in Evini Kalalu ekkada unnayi, which explore what they, where are your pens? Evaru, who, it apply for persons, a respectable and plural form. Ekkada, where, apply for place. Eppudu, when, is a time adverb. Enduku, why, for reason. Ela, how, is a manner adverb. We saw its contrasted colloquial forms AD and ARI. మీ అబ్బాయి ఏడి, వేర్ ఈజ్ యువర్ సన్, అండ్ ఆరోగ్యం ఎలా ఉంది, హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ హెల్త్. ఎన్ని మీన్స్ హౌ మెనీ, అప్లై ఫర్ కౌంటబుల్ థింగ్స్. కీ గ్రామర్ ఇన్కార్పొరేటెడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్ ప్లస్ వర్బ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాక్టికల్ టేక్ అవే ఈస్ ద సెంటెన్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్. In Telugu, once you introduce an interrogative marker, the sentence typically follows a logical order and must end with a verb that agrees with the subject in gender, number and respect. All right, dear learners, today's the pattern is that question word plus subject or optional plus object or other information plus verb. How they are used in daily conversation. These words help you pivot a conversation to get specific detail about people, reasons, places or quantities. Showing politeness using the correct form like Meeru with Ela or Enduku is essential for respectable dialogue. Indicating register and tone, colloquial contractions like AD or ARI make your speech natural and fluent. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found it helpful. Let's meet again soon and continue the journey. Happy practicing. Thank you.